What's up, everybody? It's Brian.
And this is George, and we're here with Carla, a proud owner of a solar system. How was your experience with me dealing on a personal level that gave you the confidence to move forward?
You were not only very knowledgeable, but you believed in it. You believe in the product, in the service.
Yeah.
At every point, you told us every step that would be taken with enough time in advance. Everything has been organized.
Right, we also did a new roof too.
July, it was installed in July, yes.
Yeah.
I would recommend this to a friend, to a relative of mine. Again, it makes economic sense.
Yeah. Right now you're actually selling your home,
Yes.
right? And so Carla already did the hard work, which is going through the process of installation. As we know, prices keep going up and up and up. We have no control of that. And you as the next client coming in is gonna take benefit of that as well. We're believers, we drive Teslas. We're just out here to try and show our passion for it, so you guys adopt something that's gonna be beneficial for you now and in the future. Carla, thank you for your time. Thank you for the trust, and we hope this is a relationship for a long period of time, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh God, you put me on the spot. I can't remember.